Hello friends, I am back with a new topic of vector group of power transformer. Usually the many engineers including youth engineers find difficult to understand that topic of vector group. The three-phase transformer winding can be connected several ways, and based on the winding connection the vector group of transformer is determined. Transformer vector group is usually indicated on the specification or nameplate of the transformer by the manufacturer, and a vector group indicates the phase difference between the primary and the secondary sides introduced due to that particular configuration of the transformer winding connection. The determination of vector group of transformer is very important before connecting two or more transformer in parallel, because of that there may be some phase difference exist, and that may result into the large circulating current that is detrimental to the transformer. Now coming to the groups, there are basically four groups: group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 4. Two winding three-phase transformers are divided into these four main categories, and that categories are depending on the 0 o'clock 0 degree, 6 o'clock 180 degree, 1 o'clock that indicates 30 degree displacement, and 11 o'clock that indicates plus 30 degree displacement, and the minus here indicates the LV winding lagging the HV, whereas the plus indicates LV winding leading the HV winding. How to understand the winding connection designation? In the any vector group, the very first letter will indicate your high voltage, and it is always denoted by the capital letter like D, Y, N. D means delta, Y means star, N means neutral. Second symbol in that vector group denotes the low voltage, and it is always denoted by the small letter. In the same vector group, the third symbol indicates the phase displacement expressed as the clock R number 1, 6, 11. To understand that thing, you can take examples of DYN11. It indicates that a transformer has a delta connected primary winding and a star connected secondary, with star point brought out indicated by small n, and there is a phase shift of 30 degree leading because 11 denotes the leading, and here the LV winding is leading the HV winding by 30 degree. How to understand that phase displacement between HV and the LV winding? To understand the phase displacement, you have to always take HV winding, which is always taken as reference in the vector diagram, and displacement in the vector of other winding from the reference vector with anti-clockwise rotation is expressed by use of clock R figure that is shown below. The minute hand in that clock is used to represent HV winding of transformer and always shown to occupy position 12, whereas the hour hand represent the LV side of the transformer and may, depending on the phase shift, occupy position other than 12 as shown in the figure below. And it is very important to understand that the angle between two consecutive numbers on the clock is 30 degree. I hope I could make you understand the concept of vector diagram and their representation and their understanding. Thank you very much.